or two popping up in the afternoon, middle upper 60s for highs. I'm Storm King 10 meteorologist Christina Ernie on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
This report is sponsored by Unbound.org.
In this report, I can report.
This report will report.
Tina, the report is just reported.
Get your daily morning report. Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather. Weekday mornings with Ron St. Pierre. Reporting what matters to you.
This report
On News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Right now, there are young people across the world facing a tough choice. Continue their dream of education or drop out to help their family put food on the table. You can help change their future in a single moment. See how far your support can go at Unbound.org.
This is Ron St. Pierre. We got a taste of the cool weather and the cold stuff's on the way. Call Continental Heating and Cooling. Look into a Lennox heating and air conditioning system. Call them today, 401-233-2665. Continental Engineering at 233-COOL, and ask about air quality control.
How would you like to win brand new windows for your entire home?